I'm so grateful to be bringing you the weekly tapping circle. I have some updates about it that I want to share with you. The weekly tapping circle has been on now for a few months, and even though attendance hasn't been numerous so far, I'm planning to keep it going because clients have told me that they're experiencing relief and they appreciate the support of the group setting. It makes a difference being in a group, knowing that you're not alone with what you're struggling with, that other people are going through challenges as well, and you're all taking action to heal issues you've been wanting to heal and feel better, feel lighter and brighter. In the past few months at the weekly tapping circle, I focused the classes on different themes like releasing stress and anxiety, healing relationship betrayal, forgiveness of self and others, and healing physical pain. Through this process, I discovered that the structure I created for the weekly tapping circle allows you to work on healing any issue. So if you want to reduce stress and anxiety, or you want to release trauma and get unstuck, or you want to release grief and disappointment, maybe you want to release anger and regret, or heal a physical issue in the body. Whatever you're dealing with, you can experience some relief by attending the weekly tapping circle. If you're new to me, my name is Penny. I help you heal anxiety, trauma, and emotional issues that are preventing you from feeling good. I'm an intuitive counselor, wellness coach, and EFT tapping practitioner. At the weekly tapping circle, I use my intuition and the help of divine spirit guides to connect to the energy of the group and help you process and release stressful thoughts and emotions using EFT tapping and meditation, but mostly tapping. You can anticipate feelings of calmness, greater clarity, greater self-awareness, and feelings of peace with yourself and others by participating in this group. You might be thinking, what does this tapping circle actually look like and what does it entail? To give you an idea of the structure of the weekly tapping circle, we start with a brief meditation that I guide you through to help you relax and open to healing as much as possible. And then I take you through a tapping and grounding exercise that enhances that feeling of safety, security, and support in healing your issue. Then I guide you through tapping exercises that helps you heal a specific issue you want relief from. Then about halfway through this 1-hour class, there's an opportunity for someone to volunteer to receive my direct counseling and coaching while everyone taps along and receives boring benefits. Boring benefits means that you experience relief from your own issue while tapping on someone else's. And then in the last 5 minutes or so, we end the circle with a meditation I take you through that enhances your healing and gives you strength and support as you go about your day. The weekly tapping circle is online every Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time. You can participate by Zoom, video, or phone. You can have your video on or off, it's up to you. If you want to participate in the group but don't feel comfortable having your video on, I just want you to know that it's totally okay to show up and have your video off. You also don't need any experience with tapping or meditation, as I will be guiding you the entire time. However, if you want some background about tapping, you can check out the tapping tutorial video I created on YouTube and Rumble called What is EFT Tapping?, The Tapping Points, and How to Tap for Self-Care and Self-Healing. Or you can read the tapping tutorial on my website in the blog section. You can also sign up to receive the free self-care toolkit I created for you that shows you the easiest way to use tapping. You get a copy of the tapping points and a few more must-have strategies to release stress and experience uplifting vibes. If the weekly tapping circle and what I'm talking about appeals to you, then please join us. It'd be great to have you there. If being in a group setting is not something you're interested in and you want my support, I offer personal counseling and coaching sessions using tapping and other energy medicine techniques. I also offer intuitive readings where you can receive divine guidance regarding your health and wellness, especially information about situations, events, thoughts, and emotions that may be contributing to any health and wellness issues, and I offer you solutions so you can heal and feel better. I can also help you have clarity about your relationships and career. You'll find the links for the weekly tapping circle and everything that I've talked about in the description or bio. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with someone that will benefit from hearing this information, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. I look forward to connecting with you.